Hello, good morning, Sanskarians. Welcome to your third class of your geography. I hope you all are well at your home. So, we have just discussed our two chapters of our geography. Now, today we are going to discuss about the third chapter, that is the motion of Earth. So, in first chapter we have looked about our solar system. Second chapter we have read about the longitudes and the latitudes. But third chapter it is there in which we are going to study about the motion of our Earth. Means nowadays you are looking that in your mind it is coming out that how the years are formed, how the day and nights are formed, how the winters are formed, how the summer is formed, when it is rainy, how these situations are occurring in our daily life. So it is totally based upon a one answer, that is motion of our Earth. So generally our Earth is doing the motion, means it is rotating also, it is revolving also. So motion of Earth has been categorized into the two different parts, that is one is rotation, second is revolution. Got it? So Earth has its two work. One according to its rotation it have another work. One according to revolution it have another work. Along with that we are also have that our Earth is tilted about 23.5 degree. Means how it is tilted? Like suppose it is our Earth and it is our axis, normal axis, which passes through our imaginary line that we have looked in our second chapter. Beside that, what we are looking, that it is the plane, it is the axis through which we are passing out. Got it? So it is the axis and it is, these are the our major three parallels of latitude. So when we are passing such a plane, it is the orbital plane. Means what is the orbital plane? What is orbit? Orbit means it is a path which is defined by the movement of our Earth. So this is the orbital plane, this one, and this is the another orbital plane. So these poles, this axis makes an angle of 66.5 degree, and from this equator, and this is tilted about 23.5 degree. Means it is totally tilted from our Earth, is that is why our Earth is tilted about 23.5 degree. This is the orbital plane. Orbit means the path which is defined or on which our Earth is rotating and on which our Earth is moving. That is our orbit. Got it, everyone? Beside that, what we are looking, that major and more things are also there. Means there are the also a place. Means this is, suppose this is our sun and this is our Earth. So we are looking at the sun rays are falling on it. Means only the half of the portion is only getting the our sunlight. Means this half of portion will only get the light which is just emitted by the sun. Got it? This is sun, this is the Earth, and we are looking that our Earth is now what? Tilted it towards the 23.5 degree. So only the half of the major portion will get our sunlight. So due to which what will happen? Why this happen? Because our Earth has a spherical shape. Means our Earth is in almost in a sphere-like shape. So what will happen? The Earth which is facing towards our sun, that will only get its sunlight, and the portion behind the sun or behind at the back side of the Earth, that will get into the darkness. Got it? So this is how the day and nights are formed, and it is the only one thing that is known as the circle of illumination. Means half portion of our Earth is getting light and half portion is in our dark. So come to the first motion of our Earth, that is the rotation. What is rotation? Rotation means when the Earth rotates on its own axis. कि जब अर्थ जो है वो क्या करती है कि अपनी खुद की एक्सिस के ऊपर रोटेट करती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक आई एम है, ठीक है, आई एम रोटेटिंग लाइक दिस, ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज दिस? इट इज द रोटेशन. कि I am standing at a one place and I am just rotating on my place only. ठीक है, like say again I am rotating on my one place. So what is this? This is the rotation. So due to this rotation only we are forming the day and nights, and these day and nights are of period of time of up to 24 hours. Got it? So this is the rotation of our earth, due to which the day and nights are formed. Second portion of our earth is revolution. Revolution means when the earth revolve around the sun. ठीक है, like suppose this is the our sun. ठीक है, I am earth. So what I will do? I will revolve around this like this. Got it? So this is why what? This is my revolution. ठीक है, I am just revolving around this on the elliptical path. ठीक है, elliptical path means it is neither a circle neither a sphere, it is somewhat elongated like this. ठीक है, इस टाइप में ये चीज होती है. ठीक है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं अपन? रिवोल्यूशन. और जो पाथ पे घूमता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? वी आर टेलिंग दैट इट इज द elliptical path on which the earth revolves around the sun. So due to this revolution our years are formed. Means once in a year there are the 365 1/4 days are there. Got it? So every year we are saving the 6 hours due to these phenomena. ठीक है, so after every 4 years there is a leap year on which an extra day is added to the February, that is 29 Feb. So in that what will happen there? These 6 hours after coming the 4 years later, that will become 24 hours and that will form a day. Got it? So that is why the leap year is formed after every 4 years also. So these are the rotation and the revolution. These are the major motions of our earth. So when the sun, when this is the earth, when it is revolving around the sun, so what will happen? In the northern side, in the northern hemisphere, what will happen? That in northern hemisphere the north pole is tilted towards the sun. So due to which what will happen? That Arctic Circle will get the maximum heat. ठीक है, so what will happen? At this point there will be the formation of days up to 6 months at the pole, and after that beyond this or the back side or in the reverse of this in the south side or at this period of time it will be the formation of the wind. This is the formation of the summer. Why? Because this portion like this, so this portion is far from the sun and this north portion is tilted towards the sun. ठीक है, ये अपन मान लो सामने अपने यहाँ पे क्या है? एक फायर है. ठीक है, मैं ऐसे उसके ऊपर टिल्ट होता हूँ तो व्हाट विल हैपन? माय फेस विल फेस द मोर अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एंड माय लेग्स विल फेस द लेस नंबर ऑफ हीट. सो आई विल फील कोल्ड एट माय लेग बट आई विल फील वेरी हॉट एट माय फेस. दैट इज द रीजन दैट द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर on which the north pole when it is tilted towards the sun, at that period of time this is facing the more number of, and at this place it will be the situations are reversed. Means here it will be the summer and here it will be the what? It will be the winter. Got it everyone? So on every 21st of June there is the longest day and shortest night is there, and on which it is the formation of day. So it is the formation of summer solstice. Another is that when the winter solstice will be formed. Got it? So winter solstice will be formed when the southern hemisphere, this is the southern hemisphere here, what will happen? It is far from our earth. here. So when it will be the far from our earth, at that period of time it will be face the less number of heat. Why? Because the sun rays will be the slanting towards it. Slanting means like that. Here. But in northern hemisphere, what will be the sun rays? How it will fall? Like directly. Got it? So due to those slanting of the sun rays here on the southern hemisphere, it will form a frigid or a very cold, or it will form a winter period of time. And the situations will be reversed in the northern hemisphere. Got it? So this is the formed as winter solstice. So every 23rd of December we are getting the shortest day but longest nights are formed. Got it? Besides that, when the earth revolves around the sun, then there are the exactly 2 days. Means in each and every year there are the exactly 2 days on which what will be there कि our earth has the sun on all our overhead. मीन्स जो अपनी अर्थ है उसके बिल्कुल ओवरहेड पे क्या होगा, अपना जो सन है वो क्या आएगा, अपनी जो इतनी भी सनरेज है उनको डायरेक्टली फॉल करेगा. मीन्स वी विल रिसीव द डायरेक्ट sunrays on our earth in every year on the 2 days, that is the 21st of March and second is 23rd of September. So this position or this situation is known as equinox. Got it? It is known as equinox, means it is a situation or it is a period of time when the sun rays are directly falling on our earth. Got it? So this is the position of our earth. So this is all about our motion of earth. Why the motion of earth is there? Means again I am telling, our earth has two motion, that is rotation and revolution. Rotation means when the earth is rotating on its own axis. Revolution means when the earth is revolving around the sun. According to the rotation we are forming day and night, and according to the revolution we are forming the seasons like summer and winter. Got it? And equinox is a position when we are facing that sun rays are totally falling on earth directly. And in summer solstice what will be happen, that Tropic of Cancer will receive the maximum number or maximum amount of heat as the north pole is tilted towards the sun. So major portion will be getting towards this side. So due to that what will happen, summer solstice in northern hemisphere and the seasons will be reversed in the southern hemisphere. And what will happen in the winter solstice, that Tropic of Capricorn will receive the maximum number of sunlight. Got it? Due to which what will happen, that there is a formation of the winter solstice. Got it? So this is all about this chapter, that what we are forming, how the seasons, how the days and nights are formed. Got it? So thank you so much. Be happy. Stay home.